Knowledge carrier. The revolution in the field of knowledge is gradually leading to the establishment of a knowledge society, a knowledge economy, and knowledge organization with knowledge workers in the process, giving a strong movement to the all purposive concept of knowledge management. As the knowledge management field expand, organization increasingly relate to knowledge workers to generate, classify, manage, and distribute tacit and explicit knowledge. Knowledge carrier offers extensive opportunities in the field of knowledge management, and we are seeing the emergence of specialist knowledge professions, variety of new titles and job responsibility appearing in a variety of functions: knowledge engineer, knowledge editor, knowledge analyst, knowledge navigator, knowledge gatekeepers, knowledge brokers, knowledge ant-man, knowledge assets, managing knowledge, stewed or sharpened, etc. And this do not include the facilitation and coaching roles, the functional job titles which are assuming the leadership role in many companies. Knowledge carrier in therefore a highly confidential executive level recruiting competence for organization interested in formalizing knowledge shortage and operation capabilities. Organization are relying on people with specific training in the information and knowledge system, coupled with a strong functional expertise to occupy the various positions. Down through these sections present the various career opportunities that exceeds in the organization employing knowledge management initiatives. Organizational knowledge role classification. As organizations become more knowledge based, new knowledge roles are emerging and the roles of existing knowledge workers are changing. All roles required more knowledge creation, creativity, and knowledge sharing. Successful knowledge based companies depend upon how successful individual knowledge workers create and apply new ideas productivity and efficiently. How they innovate this require new roles, new skills, and new way of developing organization capabilities that continues improve, such as through organizational learning classification system divides knowledge professionals into based on skill required. The classification helps for considerate to what position are appropriate for their skills and aware of the random amount of potential and opportunities available in the field of knowledge management. Knowledge and innovation professionals. Individuals have strong background in shaping and formulating knowledge based program. Many have developed best practice for global Fortune 1000 companies. Most are highly skilled in a variety of discipline includes business process improvement, innovation, performance measurement and modeling, case history, facilitation, strategic integration, and developing best practice. Chief knowledge officers are part of this group as a consultants. Knowledge management professionals. Knowledge management professionals have expertise in implementation. They ensure that the company gain from management of knowledge. They are involved in all process of innovation, knowledge creation, knowledge acquisition, knowledge sharing, knowledge conversion, knowledge commercialization. Career background may be in any functions. Example: finance, human resource, quality, IT, R&D, manufacturing, sales and services. Knowledge catalog, resource and media specialist. They are contributor whose skill are website, internet and intranet developers, librarian, catalog specialist, content developers, communicators, software designers and developers, middle managers and others who create the knowledge network and links. Knowledge and competitive intelligence professionals. Emphasis focus on competitive intelligence, heavy research, the ability to create and develop solid position, online research mixed in the ability to cognitive and consistently present ideas in a clear and concise format, are well developed skill. Writing and presentation skill are strong. Knowledge and strategic integration professionals, composed of top strategic thinkers, planners, marketers and individuals with senior management experience. This folk make the planning and strategic in the engine for business improvement and growth. Knowledge accommodation theories and visionaries. These groups focus primarily on discussion within an academic setting and developing and testing models. And application visionaries are thought leaders who are frequently well in front of the practice. These individuals make outstanding speakers and can stimulate your organizing thinking. Knowledge facilitators, trainers and corporate editors. These individuals focus on learning and education in a corporate setting. Many have created outstanding models and programs for linking external and internal audience, designing and developing curriculum, implementing distance learning and creating customs tailored courses for executives and senior managers. Knowledge and expert system professionals. One fact of knowledge and knowledge management is expert system and institutionalizing corporate knowledge. Individuals in this area include system specialists, technologists, chief information officers, technology transfer specialists, expert system engineers, project manager and other who primarily focus on information technology. Classification of knowledge management careers. The following sections presents the classification of career opportunities in the field of knowledge management as well as the various requirements of specific positions in knowledge management. Enabled organization along with their responsibilities. Some of the career opportunities are as follows: managerial positions, Chief Learning Officer CLO, Chief Knowledge Officer CKO, Knowledge Managers, Knowledge Initiative Managers, Knowledge Management Expert, Knowledge Transfer Expert, Knowledge Engineers, Knowledge Strategists. Technical positions: Knowledge Analyst, Knowledge Mapping Specialist, Knowledge Content Creator, Knowledge Base Archister and Administrators. non-management position, librarians, cyber information brokers. The qualities and attributes of CKO. The Chief Knowledge Officer CKO possesses two major attributes: leading and managing qualities. He needs to be an entrepreneur and a strategic who can understand the implication of using knowledge management to transform organization. At the same time, he needs to be consultant to listen to other people's ideas, incorporate them, and be a consultant, nurture them if they fit the knowledge vision. As for managing qualities, he needs to be techno survey. The CKO has to understand which technologies can contribute to capturing, storing, exploring which technologies can contribute to capturing stories, and in particular sharing of knowledge. His second competence lies more in the management of tacit knowledge. His role here is more of the creating a social environment that stimulates and encourages knowledge creation and exchange. The desired qualification for a CKO or a post graduation in human resource management, though it's not mandatory. A graduate study in humanities society. It is not psychology, economic, history, or political science is very helpful and essential. The quality required by a CKO are multidisciplinary in nature. In this respect, the CKO role in perhaps deeps than the CEO is, and is often broader than the CIO, Chief Information Officer, can or has the time to be. The CKO primary focus is on the intangible assets, and against the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, focus on tangible assets. The rise to the level of CKO ones need to have considerable ability in all fields of as mentioned below, and have the additional people management and group dynamics. Knowledge management analysis. The job of the knowledge management analyst is to understand the proper collection, storage, and presentation of dissemination of research or intellectual capital with a research facility, hospital, or other type of care facility without the use of knowledge management analyst. The facility may inadvertently lose money, funding, or access to other research option because of poor management of the information. The knowledge management analyst must be able to understand the best possible market for the information or research, as well as make recommendation to the governing bodies of the research facilities as to what is the most opportunity way to present the data. In addition, the knowledge management analyst works closely with the research grant writers and other individuals involved in preparing data collection and assessment for publication and dissemination. The knowledge management analyst may also work to develop relationship with other research facilities and enhance the ability to share information through networking or other group process. A high level of communication ability to work with other as well as understanding the various data collection process in essential. The knowledge management analyst may work on site at the research facility or may work off site with the link up through the internet. Usually, the knowledge management analyst will have regular contact with the facility even if they work primarily from another location. Most knowledge management analyst position required bachelor level training in business administration, mathematics, strategic bioinformatics or other related field. In addition, experience in working with data collection programs such as Oracle is strongly favored. A knowledge management analyst must have several years in the research field, with most having an average of 10 years experience, strong ethical understanding as well as a comprehensive knowledge of regulations, laws and protocols regarding information dissemination is critical for a knowledge management analyst. Knowledge assist. A knowledge assist is a SME with additional responsibilities including the structural of organizational knowledge base and maintaining the even flow of the current document process to help determine the direction of the product. Primary duties consist: ensure the proper coverage of a domain area by, for example, locating and including FAQ and common problems. Maintained an even flow of symptoms to be further analyzed. Through research includes analyzing and processing licensed content. Ensure a logical and user-friendly structure for knowledge base to allow easy to find solution. Ensure the quality of the structure by performing structure level quality assurance task. Maintain broad knowledge of all the related domain areas. Assist is product planning by working with the product and development managers as well as customers and in-house SME. The secondary duties: maintain an in-depth understanding of the various knowledge-based platforms. Assist in packaging and releasing each edition of the content product, including requesting and attaching model icon. Help with release notes, etc. The following are skill required: broad knowledge of all domains areas for the designated product, if applicable, and in-depth knowledge of designated domain areas. Ability to plan multiple projects. Ability to analyze and translate user requirement. In-depth knowledge of the platform with which the content product in integrated. Job levels: level 1 to 3 years of the experience using the above skill, expert in a minimum of the 2 domain areas. Level 2, 3 to 5 years of experience, 3 to 5 domain areas. Level 3, more than 5 years of experience, more than 5 domain areas. Knowledge strategist. The knowledge strategist functions as a consultant in all process of the knowledge management consulting practice. This involved working with the clients to design and develop process applicants system that improve the client organization ability to leverage of information and expertise. The primary duties consist: responsibilities include conducting online assessment of client requirements, needs, summarizing and generating recommendations, developing presentation material, generating client proposals, as well as assisting in selling organizational services. This position also include assisting client in implementing knowledge management system, creating a business environment that is conducive to knowledge sharing and increasing the speed of productivity of key business process within the organization. The following are skilled required: a minimum of 3 to 5 years of experience delivering on site business consulting services to major corporation and the implementation successful business solutions. Ability to work well in all levels in an organization. Ability, expectation, relationship building, track record, and the ability to manage product. Understand capacity to sell consulting services and have a successful track record of selling ideas to client and co-workers. Broad understanding of IT system and leading edge software including web-based technologies. Formal management qualification desired. Knowledge managers. A- As the primary leader of the knowledge management team, the knowledge manager ask is primarily responsible for managing the organization knowledge assets. Depending on the depth and the breadth of the particular organization, team members may be part of the small focused group within the IT department of relatively small companies or in a large corporations. The knowledge management may wear one of the many hats common to lateral organization. Among the responsibilities of the knowledge manager is to manage the creation and delivery of the IT informations, to cover the knowledge, and to support the utilization of the communicated information by both the internal and the external end user communities. This may include any or all of the following knowledge is abilities. Knowledge flows analysis. K flows analysis. Knowledge flows analysis looks at knowledge resource moving around the organization from where it is to where it is needed. In other words, in it is to determine how people in an organization find the knowledge they need and how do they share the knowledge they have. The knowledge flow analysis look at people, process, and send systems. Analysis of people. Examine their attitude towards the habit, behaviors concerning, and skills in knowledge sharing, use, and the dissemination. Analysis of process. Examine how people to go about their daily work activities and how knowledge seeking, sharing, use, and the dissemination form part of those activities. Existence of policy and practice concerning flow, sharing, and usage of information and knowledge. For example, there are any existing policies such as on information handling, management of records, web publishing, etc. Or there are other policy that exists that may directly or indirectly affect or related to knowledge management, which may act as enablers or barriers to a good knowledge practice. Analysis of system. Examine technical infrastructure, for example, information technology system, portals, content management, accessibility, and ease of use. and current level of usage. To what extent those existing systems facilitate knowledge sharing and flow and help to the connect people within the organization. An analysis of knowledge flows allows an organization to identify gaps in their organization knowledge and areas of duplication. It will also highlight examples for buildings good practice as well as blockage and barriers to knowledge flows and effective uses. It will show where an organization needs to focus attention in their knowledge management initiatives in order to get knowledge moving from where it is to where it should be. Knowledge mapping. The knowledge map is a navigation aid to explicit codified information and tacit knowledge, showing the importance and the relationship between knowledge stores and dynamics. The knowledge map an outcome of synthesis, the sources, flows, constraints, and sinks losses are stopping point of knowledge within an organization. Understanding all of the business resource available on the internet within their area of responsibility. The following are skill required: MLIS, MLS are equivalent within the minimum of 2 years professional experience with the specific industry or industries or other college graduate with research experience and minimum 3 years experience within a specific industry or industries. Sound knowledge of information resource within the specific industry, more than one industry preferable, and most possesses knowledge of business information needs. Excellent analytical, organizational, and communication skills through knowledge of the internet and its available resource is a must, as well as a comfortable level of technical knowledge. Educational background in business is a plus. Knowledge management consultant. Partner and client help create the environment, the knowledge process and organization, the knowledge technology information infrastructure and the knowledge applications. Their primary duties constitute: the incumbent would be primarily responsible for the architecture, design and the creation of new infrastructures or the improvement of enhancement of existing infrastructure. In addition, the individual would also be responsible for the development of system of implement specific business process using tools and technologies of knowledge management. The role also involved assisting in managing the knowledge sharing strategies and organizational process, both internal and external. The following are skill required: minimum 2 years of knowledge management or electronic performance support, experience in planning, implementing and supporting knowledge management initiatives and strategies. Qualification should be include strong planning, design, relationship communication, project management and management of technical teams. Must have a strong user focus and a passion for solving business problem using technological solution. Experience is knowledge management tool and software selection. Bachelor degree preferably in information system, computer science or engineering. Strong desire to work in the management consulting industry. Media specialist. business and specialistly publication indicate that the special librarian of knowledge catalog is increasing quantitative. Company are hiring this skilled to perform conventional information functions as well as branch into the other area like information architecture for website. Senior market intelligence librarians. This position would be responsible for providing human and infrastructure support to employees and members to initiative effective access to marketplace information for development of business intelligence and product innovation. This will include management of priority and syndicated research and innovation result. Their primary duties consist. The primary responsibilities include strategic marketing and market research library management, which includes report catalog, database administration, and online research. This is an addition to the responsibilities for the administration of organizational repositories, including managing the idea submissions, database administration, employees website administration, and participation communication. The following are skills required: college degree or equivalent, degrees in business market research or library science specialization perfect. Candidate must have strong project management and organizational skill, excellent communication skill, experience in database administration and website development.